It doesn't matter if you're tiny or tall.
It doesn't matter if you're big or small.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all.
You got it, big.
Why, thank you, small. Skipping, flipping, climbing up a rope. Hiding, riding, sliding down a slope. Skating on an ice cube, swinging on a star. It makes no difference what size you are.
Nice.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all. 'Cause here we are, we're big and small.
Yeah!
I'm gonna need more gum.
Hey, Big! Big! Hey, Big! Oh, okay. This'll do.
Okay, right.
Big? Big!
Oh.
Huh?
What was that?
Well, that was me. I just wanted to see how the boat was going.
The boat? Yeah, it's good. Should be ready soon.
Are you going to take me out on it? Because I've always wanted to sail around the world and have the wind in my knees and the salt on my teeth. Hey, what was that?
Huh?
What is that?
What? Well, that was a fish. See, fish live in ponds, Small, and they swim and eat things, and they're generally very quiet.
I know what a fish is, Big, but I didn't know there was one in the pond. And guess what? I've always... What did a fish?
I didn't know that.
Hey, wait a minute. Where you going? Why don't you get my fish?
What? Get the fish. Small, what are you talking about?
Big, how can I have a fish if you won't get it for me?
Small, we are not gonna bother that fish.
Well, why can't we bother him, Big?
Small, do you remember your promise? No more pets. I don't want any more pets, okay? Do you remember the snake who ate all the donuts?
He was hungry.
Remember your promise. No more pets. Please.
Here, Fishy. Here, Fishy. Come to Small.
Aren't you gonna eat anything?
No. I don't think I'll ever eat again.
Are you still thinking about that fish?
Why, Big? Why do you ask?
Because you've been moping around all day.
All right, Big, you forced it out of me. If you don't get me that fish, my heart will break into 1,000 pieces and all the bandages in the entire world won't mend that broken heart.
Small, we don't have room for the fish. Where would we put it?
In a bowl, Big?
Bowls are for cereal, Small.
Well, what about a shoe?
Shoes are for feet.
All right, Big. All right, fine. Even though a fish is littler than me, and even though I would love it and boss it around and take it for walks, and even though, Big, a fish would make me happy for the rest of my life, I will never mention fish again.
Good.
I won't even ever say the word fish sticks.
Well, stop buying them.
You've gone too far.
Okay, easy does it. Sinking a little there. It's okay. Hey, Small! What do you think of my boat?
What do you suppose my fish is doing right now, Big?
Small.
Well, I think he'd be much happier with us, don't you think? That gleam in a stream is more than a pet. It's a fish, it's a pal, and don't you forget, when you wish for a fish, then you wish for a friend, a chum who will love you right up to the end. Tell your fish a good story. Your fish loves to listen. Just watch its tail wibble and see its eyes glisten. When you wish for a fish, then you wish for a friend, a chum who will love you right up to the end. A Frankie's forever and not just a snack. Love your fish like you should. See, the fish loves you back. When you wish for a fish, then you wish for a friend. A chum who will love you right up to the end.
Okay, if it means that much to you, I'll go and ask the fish if he wants to live with us.
What do you say? What do you say? What do you say?
Well, he said no. He's happy right where he is. I'm sorry, Small.
Big, are you asleep? Okay, I don't understand why the fish didn't want to be our pet. Did you explain that we'd be his friend forever? Oh, okay, but did you tell him how I'd show him lots of stuff and he could count on me and I'd be like his older, smarter brother? Then I just don't get it. I mean, how does he not want to live with us? You know what? I'm gonna go ask him myself after a bit of breakfast. Fishy fish. Ooh. Oh, that's cold. Here I come, fish. Okay, there we go. Oh no, this can't be good. Hey, Big, that boat you built, it's sinking! Oh, fish, I knew you'd come and save me, and I knew you'd be my friend. Okay, fish, all right now, take me to shore. Okay, calm down, okay.
Small? That just sounded like Small.
Oh, calm down! Hey, fish! You know I wanted you to be our pet. Well, never mind.
Hey, Small, wake up. Wake up.
What? Is that a fish? For me?
Yeah, well, I thought about how much you wanted a pet and how sad you were last night. So, well, I went out and I caught him for you. Sorry, fish.
Wow! Thank you, Big. That's so nice of you. But I don't want him.
What? Oh, Small. Didn't you say my heart will break without a fish? Didn't he say that? Yeah, I know.
Oh, don't think that I'm not grateful. Hey, did you see my hat? Ah, there it is. It's just that fish belong in ponds, Big. I'm surprised that you don't know that. And where will we put that big bowl anyway? I think it's better if we stay here and the fish goes away.
Okay. Sorry to cause you so much trouble, fish. Okay, Easy. There you go. Bye. Hey, my boat floats. You've just got to keep baiting water out and it works great.
Wow! That's great! Send me a postcard wherever you're going. Ooh. Oh, look at that. It's a worm! A big fat worm! Hey, Big! Hey, Big, can you bring me that bowl? I found a worm!
A what?
A worm! Hey, don't you think it'd be great fun to have a worm for a pet? Oh, I've always yearned for a worm.